Say in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we cheat, the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever but do nobody else not see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things me put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Susie, you can't stay so. Look how much blood up on the floor. You need to go to the doctor. Somebody can't lose so much blood and live.
Bingy, me nah go no doctor. You know what me I go do? Me I go down a country, go stay with my mother for a couple days.
Susie, me not making you go by your mother like that. Me soon come back. Me go call Natasha.
Dirty Bingy, what you want? Me no want a KFC. Me no hungry.
Natasha, come here. Susie are dead. Come quick.
Bingy, what you talk about? What wrong with Susie?
Just come, please. It no look good. The whole house full of blood.
Bingy, a true you talk or a joke you make?
My girl, make your son come. You're gonna make Susie dead.
Boy, that performance, they deserve an Oscar. Alright, let me clean up the red, okay? I know that me think say boy now catch up on me. Jesus Christ. But it work out. Alright, clean up this mess.
Susie, why you lock the door?
Bingy, me I clean up myself. Me need some privacy. Bingy, can you please carry one bucket of water, come on the mop and some bleach and look under the kitchen cupboard. You see one gloves, one of them big yellow gloves. They pass it please for me.
Susie, you sure you don't want to go to the doctor? A whole drum of blood you're losing them?
Bingy, woman have miscarriage all the time. Just go for what me ask you for. Me know what me I do. Woman have miscarriage and they not dead. I know nothing, that serious cause belly they very young. So me no need to go no doctor. Me take care of myself, man. Me know exactly what me I do.
Marie, where she go? Where she there?
She in the bathroom. Maybe you can chat some sense in her head.
Susie, open the door.
Natasha, is that you? Natasha, where you do over here?
A Bingy call me. Walk with you.
Where you say Bingy call you if you come over here? Well, not do me. My period just come down for me every this month and Bingy panic. I never see so much blood. Me alright, not do me.
Bingy say something about blood and pregnant. What?
Natasha, me say me alright. Where one Bingy there? Dirty Bingy, Bingy, come here.
A murderous woman this. Who you are talking to so?
Bingy, me I beg you, go on that place, see me phone. Pass it, give me please.
Why?
Bingy, pass me fucking phone, give me.
See, the amount of blood you lose turn you in a lunatic.
No, give me it. Bingy, open my phone. Open my phone, Bingy. Put in the code and open my phone.
How me fi open it and you have lock on it?
Yes, I that me want know. You know a password for my phone. Every day, you get up and you preach to me. Oh, you hate Natasha and you can't stand her. So how the fuck you call her if you come over here? How the fuck you get fear number if you don't have it in your phone, Bingy? Bingy, explain to me. The Natasha where you eat and cuss every day. How the fuck you get her number if you call her if you come over here? You come like say where people that tell me say I true all this last time and me not listen. Explain how you get her fucking number, Bingy.
Me don't know how him get the number. Lord Jesus, let me come to me yard. Me know why I mix up. All me know, me never take my friend, man.
Susie, let me explain.
Oi, Bingy, no up in your mouth and say nothing, you know. You know what, me I go pack up my bag them right now and me I go country go spend some time with my mother. Me just want to breeze off and clear my mind. No set Bingy, no up in your mouth and say one word cause you will regret it in you know, Bingy.
Susie, why you want to travel all the way to country in this condition?
Bingy, please me I beg you. Bingy, please me I beg you. Move out of my face. Move out of my face, Bingy. Me I go pack up my bag them now and me I go country. Or spend some time with my mother. So me I beg you. Take care of the penny them before. Take care of the kids them and make sure them alright until me come back.
Bubbles, I would love to take you out for dinner before I leave for the States.
Really? That's nice. A long time I not go nowhere.
So where would you like to go? I don't know a lot of places around here.
Well, we can go KFC or Burger King. Those are good restaurants.
I was thinking something more fancy, like a nice uptown restaurant. You can dress up in a nice dress and not let your hair down.
But me not no good clothes for nice restaurants.
That's okay. I'll take care of everything. Come, let's go shopping.
Hello, Keisha, me busy right now. Me really cannot talk to nobody right now.
Lord Susie, a long time I no talk to you. Why you behave so?
Sorry, Keisha, but right now, me not trust nobody. Me not trust a soul, friend, family, me not trust nobody right now. Listen, not right now.
Alright, Susie. Me will call you when you're in a better mood.
Yeah, man, do that. Me I left out for country right now, so later. Driver, me soon come off. The next stop of mine. You hear what me say, driver? Driver, stop. I might stop this.
Hey, nice girl. You need help with those bags?
No, it's alright. I will manage. They're not that heavy.
Do not see why you need to struggle with those heavy bags. I am not looking you. I'm just offering to help.
Okay. I'm just going around the corner.
So what is your name? My name is Peter, by the way.
My name is Susie. Sorry about earlier. Today is just not my day. I'm just not in the best of mood.
Really? What happened? Maybe I can help.
Thanks for offering, but I'm fine. I will be okay.
Oh, what a nice girl like you doing in the country.
Oh, I am going to look for my mother.
I hope you're staying for a long time. I know we just met, but can I ask you a question?
Sure. Ask me anything.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No. I am single.